We're in Detroit, the heart of Motown, and we were just blessed to have a tour of the original Motown house, which is now a museum. And we're even more fortunate because starting next week, they're going to be closed for tours till the end of next year. They're doing a $60 million expansion, but they will preserve the original houses, so that's good news.
Dream, now here's reality. Baby, baby, you are really hurting me. 'Cause every time
Learned a lot about the history and how Motown developed into the force that it was for music.
now I see, baby, you are hurting me.
Thanks for watching. Keep an eye out for our videos of our next 2 days in Detroit.
That was a fun little stop.
Yeah, nice little music.
We're standing on the edge of the Badlands.